everyone. Myself Dr. V. Princy Matilda, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of PG Commerce in AJK College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to discuss about the topic business accounting. As we were very familiar with the term business accounting, in business how the accounting treatments are going to follow and what are all the aspects available and how it is useful for our success of business. These are all we are going to discuss. Business accounting, it is indicate two aspects. Number one is business and accounting. These are all interrelated with organization or discipline. Organization or trading. Otherwise, it is 100% services means it is comes under the non-trading organization or non-trading aspects. Then, buying and selling of goods and services is meant by business for the purpose of profit. I told you at the earlier. Then, in this business, any number of things we can do. That is either in the form of buying and selling of goods, or we can rendering services. Goods in the sense it may be anything goods. It may be visible and it is from pin to plain. We can call it as an goods. But services we can't see, but we can realize the benefit only. Best example, electricity services, then insurance services, then broadband services, etc. These are all the examples of services. Either goods or services, we can rendering or receiving any part of income, or we generating any income is known as business. Then next one, bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is nothing but it is an art of recording business transactions in a systematic manner that is done by the bookkeeper. Then for bookkeeper, he is not having any additional or special knowledge for that. His experience is more than enough for maintaining the bookkeeping. It is nothing but the art of recording business transactions. Before we are going to the accounting, we should learn about the meaning of transaction. Transactions are nothing but in the business, from the starting till it ends, we may render n number of activities. It may be buying or selling or purchasing anything or otherwise paying the amount or receiving the interest, whatever it may be, the business activity. These business activities are technically called as transactions. Transactions are classified into two aspects. One is credit transaction, another one is the cash transactions. Immediately effect is done by the cash means that is known as cash transaction. Later payment is known as credit transactions. How we are identifying whether the particular term is related with the credit or cash transactions. Instead of cash, there will be the person's name is mentioned in the credit transactions. We can easily identify that is related with the credit transactions. Then next one, in the bookkeeping, we are not knowing accurately about the profit of the business or what we are doing in the organizations. So there is one lagging. To remove this balance, to remove that problem, we are came into the accounting. Accounting is nothing but the system of recording and summarizing business and financial transaction and analyzing, verifying and reporting the results. That is, for accounting, we need special knowledge. That is, accounting knowledge is needed and must. It is done by the accountant. It is nothing but the art or it is the system, that is day-to-day activity, that is day-by-day processing. That is the particular system of what? It is recording whether the particular aspect is having incoming aspect or outgoing aspect, that is recording. Summarizing, that is belongs to which type of accounts, either personal account or real account or nominal account. We are summarizing into the business and we are recording the financial transactions, how much amount money, that is either we are investing 1 lakh rupees capital or otherwise we are paying to our expenses 50,000, what the financial aspect we are recording into the notebooks, that is a statement of accounts. And not only those things, we are analyzing and verifying and reporting, or it is necessary. From this we can generate or increase our profits or not, whatever it may be. So finally, accounting is a system of recording and summarizing business financial transactions and analyzing, verifying and reporting the results. Then normally the accounting are maintained in the statement of books, statement of accounts, that is it is in the large type of, that is as per the manner there were special framed notebooks we are entering, that is the accounting notebooks. It may be journal, ledger, trial balance, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet, etc. Then for the, I told you business, for the manufacturing concerns and all, they are following only trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Whereas non-trading concerns, income and expenditure statement. Then next one, instead of trading, the trading and profit and loss account, they are using the income and expenditure statement, then balance sheet also. These are all the major difference which the regarding book aspects from the trading and non-trading concerns. Then the next one, before that we are going to discuss about the types of accounts or the branches of accounting. We should know thorough about the accounting concepts. Accounting concepts and conventions. Accounting concepts and conventions are very important aspect and foundation or pillar of our accounting building. The first one is business entity concept. That means the business does not bother about any person. Any person may come, may go, but it does not affect the person's entry and exit. Then next one, money measurement concept. We are entering only the money aspect, money value of the transactions into our records. It is in the quantitative aspect. It is not in the qualitative aspect. Then next one, accounting period. Accounting period in the sense we are entering the transactions into the records for 12 months period or 365 days or 52 weeks. This is the accounting period. Then next one, revenue realization concept. In this concept, the revenue should be generated from the particular transaction in the business and we are entering. Then next one is full disclosure concept. As per the ethics, we are not disclose our official matters or leak out into our matters into the outsiders. Then the final concept is dual aspect concept. That means dual in the sense two. That means every concept, every transaction has two concepts. One is incoming concept or outgoing concept, or receiving concept or going concept. Otherwise, it is the income concept or the outgoing concept. Incoming and outgoing concept. These are all the dual aspect concept. Then conventions. When we are entering the transactions, we should follow all the golden rules. As per the golden rules only we are entering. Okay. Then the next one is full disclosure. Full disclosure in the sense at any cost the information should not be propaganda to the others. Consistency. All the quantitative information or the real aspect should be entered. Then not only those things, we should follow our conservatism. These are all the accounting concepts and conventions. Then the next one is accounting branches, that is, or otherwise branches of accounting. Accounting is classified into 3 branches. Number 1 is financial accounting, another one is cost accounting, another one is management accounting. From the financial accounting, we can find out our financial position of our business. That means what is our current profit, what is our real profit accurately. For fixing the amount, or not only we are paying the tax, we can know very well about the amount, that is financial accounting. Then the financial accounting, 100% we can take the financial decisions. The examples are trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet are the best example for what? Financial accounts. Then the next one is management accounting. Management accounting in the sense we are following only the ratio, sales ratio, current ratio, then debt equity ratio, then inventor turnover ratio related, that is 25 ratios we are discussing in management accounting. This purpose of this management accounting is we can take quick decisions, that is, are we going to continue our business? Are we going to start a new branch in future? Whatever decisions, then not only those things, we can control our business through the management accounting. For that, ratios are using. Then the next one is cost accounting. Cost accounting is done by the cost accountant. Then cost in the sense it is the value of particular, it is related with material, money or labor. How the labor cost is, how the material cost is, how the product cost is, like that. How we are fixing the rate for machinery, how we are fixing the rate for men. For this thing, the cost accounting is useful. That is, to fix the selling price of the product, to find out the cost per unit of the product, we need the help of cost accounting. It is done by the cost accountant. Next one is in the accounting, we are following double accounting system. Already there are 2 type of accounting system. Number 1 is single entry system, another one is double entry system. Single entry systems are followed by the professionals, example lawyer, advocates, doctors, etc. Then whereas the double entry system is followed by all over the business. Then we are going to discuss about the difference between single entry bookkeeping system and double entry bookkeeping system. In the single entry bookkeeping system, we are following any one of the aspect, that means what is the impact of cash regarding the particular transaction. What is the impact of cash? Either cash is coming inside or cash is going out. That alone we can enter or follow in the single entry bookkeeping system. Whereas in double entry bookkeeping system, we are following double, that is, every debit equal to credit. Every credit should match with the debit. These 2 things we are following. From that we can know very well about profit of our business. Then not only those things, it is from the single entry bookkeeping system, we can't find out accurately about profit, whereas so there is the lacking. So we are going to move the double entry bookkeeping system. For the company which is having small business, for the period is very low, they can follow the single entry bookkeeping system. Whereas for large transaction, n number of transactions rendered in the business can follow the double entry bookkeeping system. Okay. Then, not only those things, we are going to discuss about the advantages or importance of accounting. Number one, we can accurately find out the what is our financial position. From this financial position, we may fix our long term or short term goals in future or current. Then third one, for calculation purpose, we can follow the accounting aspects. Then not only those things, it is 100% an evidence, that is written evidence of our transaction. Then the next one is we can issue any cases for claiming purpose. We can follow the accounting aspects. Thank you.